The dream of the giant rider. Hello everyone, welcome to learning or teaching. This channel is my space to practice English while talking about things that interest me, like personal stories and strange memories. Uh, Today I want to tell you about one of the dreams I can never forget. It probably happened when I was 5 or 6 years old. I don't know if it was before or after the dream I told in the last video, but what I do know is that it marked me forever. In that dream, I was near a water world. Uh, the place looked a lot like the land where we used to live. Uh, it wasn't flat, but it wasn't very steep either. There was a small hills, lots of plants, grass, and uh, scattered stones. A small river crossed through the middle of my parents' land, and behind it there was a hill. Uh, Part of that hill also belonged to my parents. From the well, you could clearly see the top of the hill. It looked like 5 in the afternoon because the night sunlight was only uh, shining on the rocks on the top, where I was standing, where was already some shade. But I could still see everything clearly. Suddenly I saw a giant brown horse. It appeared from behind the hill, uh, galloping between the big rocks. On its back was a huge rider, so tall and strange that he looked like he was from another world. Um, at the moment, the rider let go of the reins with his left hand and stretched his arm out like it was made of clay. Uh, he reached his hand toward me like it was a rubber, trying to grab me while saying in the strange voice, "Come, come." Uh, his voice was disturbing. He wasn't yelling, but it sounds like I'm not hypnotic order. Uh, I was completely frozen with fear. When he was about to touch me, I tried to step back, but I tripped and fell on my back. I want to scream, ask for help, run, but my mouth wouldn't move. My lips were frozen. I couldn't do anything. And just when his giant hand was going to grab me by the neck, uh, I woke up suddenly. Until today, I don't know what that dream meant, but it was one of the first time I felt such a strong fear, even while asleep. And maybe because of that, little by little, I began to feel curious about the world of the uh, unexplainable. If you hear any mistake in my English, please let me know in the comments so I can correct it and improve this channel, or is for learning, making mistakes, and moving forward. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.